Is your check engine light on because of a P0342 code? Don't panic. This is one of the more common trouble codes, and it's often easier to fix than you'd expect. In this video, I'll walk you through what causes it, how to diagnose it properly, and how to fix it yourself. What does P0342 mean? This code means your engine control module is picking up an abnormally low voltage signal from the camshaft position sensor circuit. Common symptoms: check engine light on, the ECM flags, the sensor circuit issue and alerts you immediately. Hard starting, but without accurate cam position data. The computer struggles to time ignition and fuel delivery. Rough idle, bad timing signals throw off combustion, causing an uneven idle. Weak acceleration, the engine may hesitate or feel sluggish without reliable position data. Misfires, incorrect timing info can cause one or more cylinders to misfire. Common causes: 1. Worn-out camshaft position sensor, the most frequent culprit. 2. Wiring or connector damage, brakes corrosion, or loose connections interrupt the signal. 3. Timing chain belt issues. If timing is off, sensor readings will be 2. 4. Weak battery or charging problem. Low voltage can disrupt sensor communication. 5. ECM fault, rare but possible. 2. DIY diagnostic methods. Method A. Crankshaft position sensor, usually found on the lower front of the engine near the timing cover. 1. Remove the sensor carefully. 2. Check it for oil, dirt or contamination from nearby leaks. 3. Test resistance with a digital multimeter, comparing to your service manual spec. No reading or out-of-spec value. Faulty sensor, time to replace. 5. Swap the O-ring, then install the new sensor. Method B. Camshaft position sensor, usually located in the valve cover or at the front rear of the cylinder head. 1. Remove the sensor carefully. 2. Inspect for oil or contamination. 3. Test resistance and compare to manual specs. 4. Out of range or no reading, replace it. 5. Replace the O-ring and reinstall securely. Final steps: once you've made the fix, clear the code with an OBD2 scanner. Then take the car for a short drive to confirm the light stays off. If this helped, drop a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs it. And subscribe for more practical car repair tips. Thanks for watching. You've got this. See you next time.